Hey guys, it's your boy Easy again. Welcome to my channel. Um, Welcome to the next video in my 32K service series of videos. I'm going to be working on my 2018 Triumph Tiger 1200. This is the XRX model. In this video, I'm going to be changing my spark plugs as part of my 32K service. So yeah, hit the subscribe button on my channel. Take a look at my other videos, especially my 32K service videos, where I'm doing my valve clearance and suspension bearing service and all that kind of stuff. And at the end of the video, if you like it, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to be changing spark plugs in this video. So the first things we're going to want to do is prep the bike up. So put the bike on the center stand, which I've already done. Remove the body panels as well as the fuel tank, which I've also done. I've got a video showing you how to do that. I'll put a link in the description, so check that out if you want to follow along. It's pretty detailed. And now it's time for changing the spark plug. So what you're going to need is just three brand new spark plugs. So yeah, these are the three spark plugs. I I bought the Triumph service kit, which has everything needed for the 32K service. So all the camshaft gaskets and O-rings and crankshaft gaskets and stuff like that, and oil filter, air filter. So the spark plugs were part of that. But you can buy, if you're just doing spark plug change, you can just buy these separately. Um, you can see the spark plug type CR8EK. So you just need these three spark plugs. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the tank removed. Make sure to put some paper towels and throttle bodies so nothing falls in. Now let's go ahead and remove the spark plug boots. So here are the spark plug boots, 1, 2, and 3. There are also 3 connectors which I've unplugged, 1, 2, and 3. Unplug these, then you should be able to just twist and pull out the spark plug boots. The spark plug boots might be a little hard to twist and pull out, so use a screwdriver for leverage. Place it under the connector and then twist and pull out, and then you will struggle a little, but you can pull it out. And go ahead and remove the other two as well. We'll clean these up later. So to take out the spark plug, use a swivel head 5/8 spark plug socket. This one has a little rubber insert here, so it grips onto the socket, so you can pull it out easy. If yours doesn't, you can just use a regular 5/8 socket, and once you unscrew it, you can use a magnet to fish out the spark plug. So get your spark plug socket, coax it in until you feel it engage with the spark plug. Then you just use your socket wrench, crack it loose, and then take it out. And this is what it looks like. The socket stuck to the the spark plug is stuck to the socket, and I've removed the other two, so all three are done. Okay, so now get your new spark plugs. Make sure to gap the spark plugs to 0.7 mm. The tolerance is between 0.6 mm to 0.75 mm, but the ideal gap is 0.7 mm. So luckily, since I bought these from Triumph as part of the service kit, I did check the gaps are already set correctly, so 0.7 mm. But if you're buying the spark plugs from somewhere else, make sure to set the gap to 0.7 mm. So use a spark plug gap tool. Okay, it's important. Now it's time to install these. Okay, so install the spark plug in your spark plug socket. I've got a swivel head, so it makes it easier to maneuver in. Make sure the spark side of it's heading down. Yeah, so install it the right way. So maneuver this inside the hole and push it all the way in until you feel it engage with the threads. Then go ahead and take your torque wrench and torque up the spark plug to 12 Newton meters, or about 107 inch-pounds. And then do the same for the other two spark plugs as well. Okay, so with the spark plugs torqued up, let's install the spark plug boots. So clean these with some contact cleaner, let them dry. They should be quick drying. And it doesn't matter which spark plug boot, all three are identical, so you can put them in any hole. So let me just put it in this. So you're gonna have to put it in and kind of coax it in, twist with a twisting motion, and then push all the way in. With the spark plug boots pressed in, don't forget to connect up the spark plug connectors again. It'll be hard to mess up the order because they're not long enough. They're only long enough to fit the correct spark plug. Okay, so connect those. And that's how you change spark plugs. So don't forget to put back your fuel tank and your body panels. Take a look at a video where I show you how to do that. I put the link in the description. And subscribe to my channel. Keep a lookout for my valve clearance and my cam chain tightening video, and also check out my other videos where I service my Triumph Tiger 1200 and my Indian Springfield. And yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button, leave me some comments. I'll try to answer as many questions as you have. And yeah, that's it. It's your boy Easy signing out. Take care, guys.